Hello guys, today I have for you a really pretty red light brown eye look. So first today I'm going to be starting off with some concealer. I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes like so. And then I'm not going to be using a beauty blender for this or sponge. I'm going to be blending this in with my fingers. And I'm going to be putting some on my chin as well as the bridge of my nose and my forehead area. And I'm going to be going in my inner cheeks, I guess you could say. Just gonna blend this in, just make sure everything is nicely blended out. Then I'm gonna be putting some of that concealer under my eyebrows as well, blending that in. Then I'm gonna be going in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay palette. I'm just using this kind of mahogany shade. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of that in my crease. I'm not putting a lot, guys. I'm just putting a very small amount. This is going to be a very subtle look. Going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. You can see it easier right here. And then I'm just going to be putting more concealer on my lids. And I'm using this to prime them. And then I'm going to be blending that in with my finger. And I was talking to my husband here. And then I'm going in with this really dark purple shade. I'm just putting a little bit of that in my crease. And on my outer corner of my eyes. Eyelids, pardon me. And then I'm taking this dark brown color and I'm just going to be adding that into my crease as well and into my outer V. And again, this is going to be a very subtle light look. So it's not going to look very heavy on your lids. Feel free to add more of these shades on your lids if you want a more deeper color. And I'm going in with this red shade right here. And this is a red, really pretty reddish eyeshadow shade. I'm gonna be putting that on my lids. I'm gonna be using a few layers of that. And I'm taking some makeup remover just to create a nice line. Just so it looks very clean. I'm putting more concealer under my lids, blending that out, and then adding this dark brown shade right under on my lower lash line, just blending that out. And then I'm going to be taking this really shimmery, I'm going to be taking my black gel liner and applying that to my upper lid on my waterline and my bottom waterline as well on my eyes. Then I'm taking this shimmery beige color and I'm going to be applying that on my bottom lid and my inner corners just to give it a nice golden sheen. I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and I'm going to be applying these to my lashes, and feel free to use false lashes for this look if you choose. Then I'm taking my lip gloss, and this is called Fairy Floss by the brand ColourPop. It's like a really pretty nude shade. I use this a lot, and that, guys, completes this look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe buttons, or don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Bye!